Alright guys, today we're back in Pleasanton, California. I'm at 3732 Thistle Way, a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome with 1,291 square feet. Come on, let's check it out. We got a nice green grassy courtyard to just hang out, watch the kids play, a corner lot at the end of the cul-de-sac. Now let's check it out inside. This is an eastern facing home, freshly painted, new carpets, move-in ready. Spacious living area designed for comfort and convenience. We have an open kitchen and dining area with a beautiful side buffet cabinet. Low HOA of only $240 a month. Located inside of Fairlands Park. Custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, in-unit washer and dryer included with extra storage space. Half bath downstairs. This property is near BART and right off the 580 freeway. Attached garage with plenty of shelving space. A low maintenance backyard with additional storage shed. Upstairs you'll find 3 bedrooms, including a large primary bedroom. Here we have bedroom number 1. And we have bedroom number 2. And for our grand finale, we have our primary bedroom. An extra storage closet. Space for a small office on the corner. Walk-in closet. Along with our master bath with the tub. Alright guys, that wraps up today's tour. If you guys like this property, have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box. Otherwise, follow me on social media, check out my website, chrisleeluna.com, and we'll see you again next time.